our classes so far, we had seen how to create the table in Oracle database. Also, we had seen how to view the details or fetch the records available in table, how we can insert the records into the table, how we can filter the records while fetching from the table. So those things we have seen, but we have not seen so far how we can update the records which are pre-existing in the table. Means the record, if you see over here in the bricks table, suppose if I want to override the quantity for a shape that is cylinder whose color is red from 1 to 3. Now how we can do that? This we have not seen. In SQL, we can do this with the help of update statement. So with the help of update statement, we can use this in order to modify any existing records in the table. So here is the syntax. The syntax is we have to make use of this update, then the table name, then we have to make use of the set clause, then we have to set the column and the values like update, bricks table, set, columns what we need to update like the quantity is equal to 3, so and so forth things. If you want to further drill down which particular row you have to do, then you can mention like where the color is red, where the color is blue, like this. So the where condition what we used in the select statement, it will hold true for update as well. So here is the documentation which I have created, which I will be attaching this script.txt file in the class resources. So here I have mentioned what should be the syntax like what we seen in the W3 schools documentation. Here is the example wherein I am making use of this update statement and trying to update the quantity of all the records in the bricks table and setting the quantity to 60. Now I am telling that all the records will be set because here I am making use of update, then the table name, then I am just setting the quantity to 60. Here I am not mentioning which particular record has to be updated, like where the color is equal to red, blue, green. Unless we mention explicitly where this has to be applied, Oracle will be updating the quantity to 60 in all the records in this particular table if we don't mention any where condition. Now let me run this. I am getting like 3 rows updated. Now if I select star from bricks, I am now seeing that all the quantities got updated to 60 in this bricks table. In few of the databases, you have to explicitly save the transaction by executing this commit statement. This we had seen in the previous class. But in live SQL, auto commit will be done as soon as we click on this run button.